you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thank you for tuning into our video. As always, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Today we're working on Pine Street in Brooklyn. Our customer received a cease and desist notice, which is a sewer repair work order. They received the notice because a major sinkhole started forming in the roadway. DEP was notified, they cameraed the line, they determined that it was actually broken in the roadway. So today we'll be repairing our customer's sewer from the existing spur connection located on the city main to the curb. Thanks for tuning in.
I work for Harris Water Main and Sewer, and today what we did is a repair in the street for Pine Street. We have what we call the protected street. The dirt that we dug out from the hole, we can put it back, so we got to get fresh dirt. The old pipe was clay. We replaced it to cast iron, extra heavy cast iron, 6-inch. Broken area was close to the spur where it's connected to the city sewer.
On the spike?
Today we had a long wait because it's a protected street and the inspector just got here. But we had the job done. We had all the piping in, but we had to wait because we scheduled it for like a PM inspection, which means that, you know, he can come in at any time after 12. We all set right now. We just have another 2 hours wait. We get it fixed, and the homeowner should be happy.